everyone. So today standard 12 we are going to study about the physical properties of group number 18, and then I will give you certain uses, write on that uses, and we have done every reaction of group number 18 in the last video. We have done the hydrolysis, we have seen the occurrence, the physical properties, the structures also we have seen, no? Last class we have seen the structures, and last video we have seen the chemical properties, the reaction, the hydrolysis. So today your lecture of group number 18 is last lecture. Okay. Try to solve the question behind your NCERT and try to solve the question given in the Pradeep. If any question, if you have any doubt, please let me know. Okay. And if you have any doubt in the question paper, so I will explain you. Next test it will be also, I will take the test for P block only. Okay. And more tough questions I will ask. So please be prepared from the textbook and read textbook as much as possible, because as you know, as I am telling you from the 11th standard, that these chapters are nothing but it's like a theory kind of a chapter, it's like a social study. As much as you study, you will improve it. Okay. So the physical properties of group number 18 are very important, because one question has been asked from this group number 18, and this point is very important. When we will come to this point, so I will explain it, and it is very simple, easy point also. The first point says all the noble gases, that is helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon and radon, all the elements of group number 18, or where we are calling as inert elements, or we call as a noble gases, these all are monoatomic. They have atomicity as 1. Like oxygen is also a gas, but oxygen is having a diatomic, yes or no? It is having atomicity is 2. But whereas this all the gases, helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon, this all the gases are monoatomic and they exist in a gaseous in state. So all the noble gases are monatomic and they all exist as a gas. So group number 18 elements all are noble gases. As a noble gases the name indicates. So from here we come to know that all are gases in nature and they are monoatomic. They are monatomic. Like oxygen is diatomic, chlorine gas is diatomic, yes or no? Fluorine gas is diatomic, but noble gases are monatomic. So first point is very important, that all the noble gases are monatomic. Next, behalf of me, you can remember one point, that all are non-reactive except xenon, because xenon compounds are possible to make. It was made by Neil Bartlett, and this every story is known to you. Clear? Okay. Next point comes, they are colorless, odorless and tasteless. So these gases, helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon, these all the gases are colorless. They do not have any kind of a color, no odor, no taste. So they are colorless, odorless and tasteless. They do not have any kind of odor, means they do not have any kind of a smell, they do not have any kind of a taste, they are not having any color. Like chlorine gas is having a color, no, greenish yellow. Yes, chlorine gas is having one greenish yellow color. So it is a gas, and certain gas have a color like chlorine. So chlorine is having a greenish yellow color. So I cannot say that chlorine is a colorless gas. No, chlorine is having greenish yellow color. It is having also pungent odor, but it is not the same case with group number 18 elements. So noble gases are colorless, odorless and tasteless gases. Okay. Next, they are sparingly soluble in water. Sparingly soluble means what? Partially soluble, means they are not highly soluble. Like oxygen is soluble in water, highly soluble. Yes or no? Like sulfur dioxide gas is also highly soluble, but whereas this helium, neon, krypton, xenon, radon, they are sparingly soluble in water, means they are partially soluble, partially not soluble. So they are sparingly soluble in water. So these three, it is clear to you. First is what? They all gases are monoatomic, they are sparingly soluble in the water, they are colorless, odorless and tasteless gases. Clear? Now third point comes, this point is very important. They have a low melting and low boiling point. Why? Because see, they are monoatomic. When these gases are monoatomic, so they will be having only one kind of a force, that is known as a weak dispersion force. Remembering standard 11 states of matter in the starting of 2-3 lectures, London forces, yes or no? So that kind of force we have, that is a weak dispersion force. So due to the weak dispersion force, this all the gases have low melting point and low boiling point. Due to this reason, they are liquefied easily. So this question is given in your textbook that why helium gas or the noble gases are liquefied easily. So we can say that these all gases are monatomic gases and they have only one kind of a force, that is weak dispersion force, due to which they can be liquefied easily, hence they have a low melting and low boiling point. Okay. So why they have a low melting and low boiling point? So they have a very low melting and boiling point because they have only one type of interatomic attraction, that is weak dispersion force. Due to this reason, noble gas have a low melting point and low boiling point and hence easily liquefied. Clear this part? Clear this part? Clear this part? So once more I repeat, why they have a low melting and boiling point? So they have a low melting and low boiling point because they have only one type of interatomic attraction. Why only one type? Because they are monatomic. So they have only one type of interatomic attraction, that is weak dispersion forces. They have a weak dispersion forces. Due to this reason, they have a low melting and low boiling point. Clear? Next, helium has the lowest boiling point of any known substance. Out of all the substance, from all the substance, helium is the element which is having the lowest boiling point, and it is also having one unusual property of diffusing. It can diffuse in many apparatus of laboratory apparatus. So it can diffuse easily, means it can spread easily in the rubber, plastic, it can displace, it can diffuse means moving. So it can move, it can enter easily in anything like rubber, plastic or glasses or apparatus. So it is having one unusual property. Who? Helium only. Okay. So helium has the lowest boiling point of any known substance and it has an unusual property of diffusing through the plastic or the laboratory apparatus, Clear? So once more I will repeat, group number 18 physical property, then we will go to the uses. You write down the uses, I will tell you, I will discuss here. So physical property of group number 18 says what? The physical property of group number 18 says that all the noble gases are monatomic, yes or no? And all are gases. These gases are colorless, odorless, tasteless. They are sparingly soluble in water. They have a low melting point and low boiling point. Why? Because there is only one type of interatomic attraction between them, that is the weak dispersion forces. Due to this reason, they have a low melting point and low boiling point, hence they are easily liquefied. Helium is only the element which is having the lowest melting point of known substance. Due to this reason, it is also having one unusual property of diffusing. It can diffuse through plastic, rubber or glass apparatus. This is having the unusual property of helium. Now you can write down some uses of noble gases. Write down the first use. Helium is a non-inflammable and light gas. Write down the first uses. I know it is given in the textbook, but I will give you the point wise which are important, that only you write down. Don't waste your time. So write down, helium is inflammable gas. Helium is non-inflammable gas. Helium is non-inflammable gas. It is used to fill in the balloons. And metallurgical observation. Next, write down, helium is used in a gas cooled nuclear reactor. Helium gas is used in gas cooled nuclear reactor. Next, write down, liquid helium is used as cryogenic agent. Liquid helium is used as cryogenic agent for carrying out the number of reaction at low temperatures. It is used in manufacturing of superconducting magnets, which are used in which are used in NMR spectrometers and MRI, which are used in NMR spectrometer and MRI. MRI, you know, it is a one kind of a medical device and medical report. MRI, they will tell you to take the MRI, means MRI is a one big machine will be there, you have to sleep inside that machine. Machine will rotate on you and it will take the report of each and every your nerves. So it is MRI, MRI report we say, you would have listened. Clear? Next, write down, it is used as dilute oxygen, it is used as diluent for oxygen due to its very low solubility in blood, due to its very slow solubility in blood, due to its very low solubility in blood. Next, neon gas is used in a fluorescent bulbs. Neon is used in a fluorescent bulbs. For advertisement purpose. Next down, neon bulbs are used in a greenhouse plants. Neon bulbs are used in a greenhouse plants. Neon bulbs are used in a greenhouse plants. Now next, argon is used to provide the inert atmosphere. Argon is used to provide the inert atmosphere for various metallurgical welding purpose. For various metallurgical welding purpose. For various metallurgical welding purpose. Next, it is used for filling the electric bulbs and tubes. It is used to fill the electric bulbs and tubes. It is used in the filling of electric bulbs and tubes. Next, write down, it is used in handling of laboratory apparatus which are sensitive to air. It is used in handling of laboratory apparatus which are sensitive to air. Next, xenon and radon are used in light bulbs. Xenon and radon, sorry, krypton, radon is a radioactive krypton. Xenon and krypton are used in light bulbs which are designed for special purpose. Which are designed for special purpose. Okay. Clear this part. Now, see, write down one question. Why noble gases have a very low boiling point? Write down. Why noble gases have a very low boiling point? Write down. Noble gas have a very low boiling point due to noble gas has a very low boiling point due to only one type of a forces, that is weak dispersion force. Due to only one type of a forces, that is weak dispersion force. Only one type of a forces, that is weak dispersion force, are present in it. Due to this reason, helium has very low boiling point. Okay. Write down next key point. Group number 18 elements. I want keep it down. Group number 18 elements are known as noble gases or inert element because group number 18 elements are known as noble gases or inert element because their outermost shell is completely filled up. Their outermost shell that is completely filled up, that is NH2NP6. The outermost shell is completely filled up, that is NH2NP6. NH2NP6. Hence, there is no loss or gaining of electron is possible. Hence, there is no gaining or loss of electron is possible. Due to this reason, they are known as noble gases. Okay. And one thing I forgot to give you, that is uses of interhalogen compound. I forgot to write down. So you write down that also today. So you went to the lecture. Write down uses of interhalogen compounds. Write down these compounds. I am giving the uses of interhalogen compounds. I forgot to give the uses of interhalogen compounds. Okay. So you write down these compounds can be used as non-aqueous solvent. This compound can be used as non-aqueous solvent, means what? As such a kind of a solvent which does not have any kind of liquid or water. Sorry, not liquid, not water. So non-aqueous solvent means what? Such a kind of a solvent which does not have a water. So write down they can be used as non-aqueous solvent. Next, write down they are highly fluorinating agents. Interhalogen compounds are highly, that is interhalogen compound with fluorine I am guessing. Okay, write down interhalogen compound are very useful fluorinating agent. That's why ClF3, write down ClF3 and BrF3, ClF3 and BrF3 are used to, ClF3 and BrF3 are used to in production of UF6, in the production of UF6, uranium hexafluoride, UF6 from U236. This is important, okay, from U236. Okay, so write down this U, that is uranium, which is 236, ClF3 will generate what? UF6 plus ClF. So write down this reaction. So they are the highly fluorinating agent. Hence, it is used in the production of UF6 from U236. This is a radioactive element, okay? Uranium, it's a radioactive element. So U236. So U236 when react with ClF3 forms UF6 and ClF. Clear? So other questions which are given in text question, it is given in your book. Please try to solve that in text question. If you don't have any, if you have any doubt in solving the in text question, please let me know. Okay, every solution is available in the internet. First see the solution, try to understand the answer. Again, if you are not getting the answer, please let me know. Next exam probably will be of P block, but the exam will be tough. So try to read as much as possible. From number of books are available. So sometimes the question I can ask which I have not given also. So everything cannot be done on the board. Okay, some certain things you have to read. And here the sky is limit. Okay, last class one question was coming sulfant. One question has came in your paper, no? Sulfant. So I have not taught this sulfant, but this key point is important. So you read number of books like RLS. See, I am not advertising. So you read number of books that you read RLS, you read, or you read Pradeep. So you can improve your knowledge and try to make a key point book. So here your chapter is over. I will try to make the key points and I will try to give in the notes. Okay, in the next class we will start a new chapter. we will see that which chapter, either alcohol phenol ether or any other chapter. Thank you.